Picture this. You are given evidence of being persecuted for your Christianity belief in a tribunal hearing, assisted by an interpreter. And the interpreter translates your word, the Pope, into my papa. Now, how trustworthy do you think you sound to the decision maker? This is a real case in Australia, where inaccurate interpreting has harmed, if not jeopardized, the credibility of the applicant's testimony and procedural fairness. Every year in Australia, over 15,000 migration and refugee review hearings require interpreters. The quality of interpreting can, of course, be influenced by the interpreter's own linguistic competence, cultural knowledge, and personal bias. But that's not all. There are some external factors as well. For example, the physical working condition. Knowing that interpreting is a cognitively charged activity, are the interpreters given breaks after long hours of working? And in hiring those interpreters, are the most qualified interpreters given preference to? Are they adequately paid by the agencies? Are the case-related preparation materials provided? Moreover, some legal professionals may not have enough knowledge of how to work with interpreters, which is also found to have impacts on interpreting accuracy and impartiality. So you see, the onus of ensuring quality interpreting is not just on interpreters themselves, but also on legal professionals, administrative staff, and language service agencies. On this basis, I am doing a mixed method study that involves all these stakeholders. I'll use policy review, corpus study, observation, interviews, and questionnaires to describe interpreting services provided in these hearings and to see how different stakeholders can work together to improve the current situation. Let's not forget this. Almost half of Australians have one parent born overseas, which means migrants constitute a large part of this multicultural society. And I believe they deserve our joint effort to guarantee their right to hear and to be heard, at least in an accurate manner.